Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. Today we are going to read chapter number 6, The Twins. Here some learning outcomes are there. After completing this lesson, students will be able to know recite the poem with stress and intonation, use of homophones means pair of verb as we have already done in previous chapter. Identify rhyming words, identify and use phrasal verbs. Phrasal verb means verb plus preposition or adverb that becomes phrasal verb, like put is verb and on is preposition, but when we combine it becomes put on and that is phrasal verb. Change the voice means active into passive and passive into active. Write the summary of the poem. Learn the use of pair words in sentences. Learn to write the simple sentences from the stanza. Pre-reading. Have you ever seen the twins? If you have seen any twins, you can say, yes, I have seen the twins. But if you don't, you can say, no, I have never seen the twins. Here the second question. Were you able to recognize each one of them? If you easily recognize the twins, you can say, yes, I can easily recognize each one of them. If you don't, you can say that, no, I was not able to recognize each of them. So let's move to the translation of this poem. In form and feature, face and limb, चेहरे, बनावट और खदोखाल के लिहाज से I grew so like my brother, मैं अपने भाई की तरह, मैं हूबहू अपने भाई की तरह बड़ा हुआ. That folks go taking me for him, के लोग मुझे वो समझने लगे. And each for one another, और हर एक को दूसरा समझना शुरू कर दिया. It puzzled all our kith and kin, इस मुशाबत ने हमारे तमाम दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों को हैरत में डाल दिया. Here the word puzzled mean confusion, हैरत में डाल देना. Kith and kin mean friends and relatives, दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों. It reached a fearful pitch, ये मामला खौफनाक हद तक पहुंच गया. For one of us was born a twin, क्योंकि हमें से एक जुड़वा पैदा हुआ था. Yet not a soul knew which, ताहम किसी भी जीरू को ये मालूम ना हो सका कि कौन कौन है. What did puzzle the kith and kin? The twins' resemblance puzzled the kith and kin. Now second stanza. One day, to make the matter worse, एक दिन मामले को बदतर बनाने के लिए, before our names were fixed, हमारे नाम रखे जाने से पहले, as we were being washed by nurse, जब नर्स हमें नहला रही थी, we got completely mixed, हम मुकम्मल तौर पर अदल बदल हो गए. And thus you see by fate's decree, और इस तरह यकीन कर लो कि तकदीर के हुक्म से. Here the word fate mean तकदीर, luck, और rather nurse's whim, या किसी हद तक नर्स की ख्वाहिश से. My brother John was named me, मेरे भाई जॉन का नाम मेरा रख दिया गया. And I was named him, और उसका नाम मेरा रख दिया गया. Who mixed the twins? The nurse mixed the twins. This fatal likeness ever dodged, इस जानलेवा मुशाबत ने हमें हमेशा मुसीबत में डाला. My footstep when at school, मेरे कदम जब स्कूल में थे. And I was getting flogged, और मुझे हमेशा छड़ी से मार पड़ती थी. The word flogged mean to get punishment with sticks. For John turned out a fool, क्योंकि जॉन अहमक साबित हुआ. I put this question fruitlessly. मैं ये बेसूद सवाल करता हूँ. Here the word fruitlessly mean without any aim, without any purpose, बेसूद, जिसका कोई मकसद ना हो. To everyone I knew, अपने हर एक जानने वाले से, What would you do if you were me? अगर आप मेरी जगह होते तो क्या करते? To prove that you were you, ये साबित करने के लिए कि आप ही हैं. What do you understand by fatal likeness? The word, this phrase fatal likeness means a striking resemblance that could put any one of the twins in trouble for the follies of one another. I hope translation is clear to you. Okay, thank you.